How can I fix my Facebook online status not showing correctly?
Hello there, welcome to our video guide. Today, we're going to troubleshoot and fix a common issue, your Facebook online status not showing correctly. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think, and we'll guide you through each step of the process. Let's dive right in.
Is your internet connection stable?
First things first, ensure you have a stable internet connection. A faulty internet connection might be the cause of the status issue.
Checking Facebook's active status settings.
1. Open your Facebook app on your mobile device or go to Facebook on your desktop browser. 2. Navigate to Settings. For the app, tap the hamburger menu, the 3 horizontal lines, scroll down, and tap on Settings and Privacy, then Settings. On the desktop, click the downward arrow in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy, then Settings. 3. Locate the active status. On the app, scroll down to the Privacy section and tap on Active Status. On desktop, in the left column, click Blocking, then in the Block Messages section, click Edit, next to Block Messages from. 4. Check your active status setting. If it's turned off, your online status will not show to others. Ensure this feature is turned on if you want others to see your online status.
Have you updated Facebook to the latest version?
Make sure you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed on your device. Outdated versions may have bugs that could cause your online status not to display correctly.
Have you tried logging out and logging back in?
Sometimes, simply logging out and logging back into your account can solve this issue. This action refreshes your account settings on your device.
Reinstalling the Facebook app.
If none of the above steps work, try reinstalling the Facebook app. Uninstall the app from your device, restart your device, and then reinstall the app. Sometimes this process can fix glitches or issues with the app's functionality. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of your Facebook online status not showing correctly. Remember, it's always important to keep your app updated and your account settings in check. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Have a great day!